Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to unbox this Ilford Sprite. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of surprise in the unboxing given that this has a clear package. There we go. Down inside the package there you might be able to see there's instruction manuals and a strap on the underside. I'll take care of those later. Here's the Ilford Sprite. Actually, this is the Sprite 2, and this is exactly the same camera as the Agfa photo. You can see switching the flash to on gives you a larger aperture, just like that. Okay, so it doesn't indicate on the camera the size or aperture of the lens, but I'm guessing based on the fact that this appears to be an exact clone of the Agfa and many others like the Kodak, that's an f9 31mm lens. Shutter release, film rewind, flash indicator, battery chamber, film rewind release. Let's see if this opens. It does much more easily than the Agfa. And there's the inside of the camera there, film cassette chamber, shutter, all the standard stuff, film advance right there. So keep an eye open for the camera manuals, well, manual singular, about this camera.